walked away crying, like.
Oh my God.
Take away his chair again.
All you had to do is jump in the chair.
All you gotta do is sit, baby. It's alright.
Over there to
We'll play pin the tail on the donkey. That'll be better.
Take away
Alright.
It's gonna be like this big kid.
That stuff I
Alright, you ready? Get over here. Get in line, guys.
Pizza. You like to see that dream?
Alright, get in line. Let's go. Ready?
Everybody, what?
Set. Ready, set, go. Sit. Oh, Roy.
You did good.
You just made it. See, there you go. Okay.
Now let's watch the big kids go. Ready?
All right.
Let's move the chair.
Yeah,
Or are you gonna be a double?
Y'all be
You're
a
a
pair.
carrier.
Don't worry, y'all be a pair. Okay, you ready? Set. Go. Wrong way.
What?
Go.
Sit. I knew it was gonna end up being the three bigger kids.
Okay, y'all
I
ready?
was older than him.
Is it?
Yeah, he's 7.
Eli's big though, huh?
Ready?
No, you gotta keep walking. Keep moving. They're like cheating.
Okay.
Yeah, ladies first, right?
Right now, okay? Because this sounds like crap. It's gonna give me a headache.
If you're happy
Okay, there
and
you
you know.
Who's left? Y'all?
Haley and Eli.
Haley and Eli. What the hell?
Hey, Rory,
You ready?
Your kids are good at chair stealing.
1, 2.